Welcome to the initial setup video for the Quark-Elec A054T portable Class B AIS transponder. Please note, these steps only apply for the very first configuration of the A054T. Steps on further configuration will follow in a later video. First up, power on the A054T, then connect to the Wi-Fi network. You can navigate through the onboard menus to the ad hoc page. Here will be the SSID, password, and IP address needed for the ad hoc connection only. On screen now. We can then open a browser and enter 192.168.4.1 and hit enter. We are now looking at the web UI. This first page is for the setup of the station mode function, power saving, and also Bluetooth. For this step, we do not need to do this, and as you can see, it has been left blank with default values. Navigate to the vessel information setup page. After entering the page for the first time, a message appears stating that the initial configuration does not require verification. Once settings have been saved, loading into this page will automatically read any data. However, you can still manually read the data using the below button. Here, we'll be using details purely for demonstration purposes only. You must ensure that all details are correct, as there is only one opportunity for initial configuration of the MMSI. Once satisfied the details are correct, click Save. If done correctly, a message will appear confirming yes. Once this has been completed, the saved details will then appear on the display of the A054T like you can see here. Additionally, you can reload this page to read the saved fields. You will be able to confirm the unit is transmitting by observing the dedicated indicators on the display. When all are not currently functioning, they will be grey. For GPS, once a fix has been obtained, it will be illuminated green for the duration of the fix. TX will flash green for approximately 1 second for every AIS transmission, and RX will be illuminated for 1 minute after receiving an AIS target. As always, stay safe and happy sailing.